To get the free notes of electrical circuits, check the link in the comment section and install the app for free. This is a problem on star connected load. Question: a 3-phase 400 volt generator supplies star connected load of 1.8 kilowatt at a line current of 10 ampere. Determine resistive and reactive components of loads. Solution: first of all, we will write what is given. So here we can see, always remember that in question the given voltage is line voltage. So that means this 400 volt is the line voltage. So here we can write VL is equal to 400 volt, comma, then the power is given. So power is equal to 1.8 kilowatt. Then line current is given. So IL is equal to 10 ampere. IL is equal to 10 ampere. We have to determine resistive and reactive components of loads. That means we have to determine R and X. So first of all, here we can see it is a star connected load, and in star connected load, here we can write in star connected load, VL is equal to √3 VPH and IL is equal to IPH. That is, line voltage is equal to √3 times phase voltage and line current is equal to phase current. So this is the relation of line voltage and phase voltage and line current and phase current in case of star connected load. So first of all, from this given data we can find the value of phi. So let's find the value of phi first. So number 1, find phi, because we have to find resistance R. So here we can write, let's write it like this: R is equal to magnitude of Z cos phi. So R is equal to magnitude of Z cos phi, and X is equal to, this is PH and also this is PH. For reactance it is magnitude of Z sin phi. That means we have to find the value of this phi and this impedance Z. So first of all, let's find the value of phi. Number 1, find phi. So to get the value of phi, we can use this formula: power is equal to √3 VL IL cos phi. The value of power is given and it is 1.8 kilowatt. So it will be 1.8 multiplied by 10 to the power 3. 10 to the power 3 is equal to √3. The value of line voltage is also given. It is 400 volt. So 400 multiplied by line current value is also given. It is 10 ampere multiplied by cos phi. So let's find the value of cos phi. Cos phi is equal to 1.8 multiplied by 10 to the power 3 divided by √3 multiplied by 400 multiplied by 10. If we solve this in calculator, so we get 1.8 multiplied by 10 to the power 3 divided by √3 multiplied by 400 multiplied by 10. So it is 0.2598, 0.2598 So this is the value of cos phi, or we can say power factor. Now from this cos phi we can find the value of phi. So phi is equal to cos inverse of this 0.2598. If we solve this, so we get the value of phi. So let's find cos inverse of, answer, it is 74.94. So 74.94 is the value of phi. Now we got the value of phi. Now let's find the value of z. So second, find impedance z. So we know that ZPH is equal to VPH divided by IPH. The value of VPH is, we have the value of line voltage, and the relation between line voltage and phase voltage is this. So therefore VPH is equal to VL by root 3. Here we can write VL divided by root 3 divided by IPH. Now also here we can see, in case of star connection, IL is equal to IPH, and we have the value of line voltage, so we can replace phase current by line current. So here we can write IL. The value of line voltage is 400 volt. So 400 divided by, this is root 3, not 3. This is root 3. So root 3 here divided by line current. The value of line current is 10 ampere. It is equal to 400 divided by root 3 divided by 10. So it is 23.09. 23.09. And since it is a impedance, so its unit will be ohm. Now we got the value of ZPH, and also we got the value of phi. So we can easily find the value of this RPH. So here we can write RPH is equal to magnitude of Z into cos phi. So let's substitute the value of this ZPH, that is 23.09 multiplied by cos phi. So we can directly substitute the value of cos phi. Here we can see cos phi is equal to 0.2598. 0.2598. So therefore RPH is equal to this 23.09 multiplied by 0.2598. So it is 5.998. That means it is equal to 6. Since it is a resistance, so its unit will be ohm. So this is a resistive component. Then to find the value of XPH, it will be this Z into sin phi. The value of this Z is 23.09 multiplied by sin into the value of phi. Here we can see the value of phi is 74.94 degree. So 74.94 degree. If we solve this, we get the value of XPH. So 23.09 multiplied by sin 74.94. It is 22.29. 22.29 is the value of XPH. Also, since it is reactance, so its unit will be ohm. So this is how we can find resistive and reactive components of star connected load. To get the free notes of electrical circuits, check the link in the comment section and install the app for free. Thanks for watching.